Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we will learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater, gents half sweater, full sweater. You can also apply this pattern in muffler and baby blanket. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows, repeat pattern cast on multiple of 6 plus 3 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 6 plus 3 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration here we have 17 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches, multiple of 6, 2 times 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 3 extra stitches 15 and plus 2 edge stitches 17. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1 with 2 time yarn over, 1, 2, 1, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 3, purl 1, knit 1 with 2 time yarn over, purl 1. This is 6 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time we make this pattern. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1 with 2 time yarn over, 1, 2, 1, yarn in front, purl 1. Here we complete 2 time repeat pattern. Last 4 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, unwrap this 2 time yarn over stitch, yarn in back, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 3, knit 1, slip 1, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time. Yarn in front, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Now yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Here we complete 2 time repeat pattern. Last 4 stitches, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 3, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So one more time. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 1. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 4 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete now. Fourth row, wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Now knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 4, purl 1, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Last 4 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is 5th row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn in back. Now make an extra stitch from second hole. This is 1, 2. From this hole insert this needle and make an extra stitch. Take this stitch on your left needle. Now knit 2 together from back loop. Yarn in front, purl 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 4, make an extra stitch and knit together from back loop, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much to here? So one more time. We make this pattern. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn in back, make an extra stitch from second hole. This is 1, 2. From this hole insert this needle, make an extra stitch. Take this stitch on your left needle, knit together from back loop. Yarn in front, purl 1. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern. Last 4 stitches, purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn in back, knit edge from right side. 5th row is completed. Now 6th row, wrong side. Purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. 6th row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects. And if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.